two normal dice are thrown and the sum of the two uppermost faces is noted. So this time we're specifically going to look at the sum. So again, that's my table and I'm going to fill it up by adding out the outcomes. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, etc. I'm just adding out the outcomes and these are the outcomes that I have. Okay, so again, I've done a table and you'll see how much easier it is by looking at the table to answer the questions. So, starting from A, find the probability that the sum is 8. Well, you can see that these ones, the sum is 8. It's just there for you. So you can see that that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 out of 36. And we can't simplify that any further. So that's the answer. Okay, so that's A. B, find the probability that the sum is even. Even numbers, all of these ones, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and 12. Okay, so count them up. So I think it's probably just half of them, which is going to be half. Okay, that's it. Again, just looking at the table, very, very straightforward. Find the probability that the sum is less than or equal to 8. So anything that's 8 or less than. So it's all of these numbers, excluding the 9, 10, 11, and 12. So count them up, and you'll see that that's 26. So simplify to 13 over 18. D, probability that the sum is more than 8. So it's the ones that I've excluded in the previous question. So all of these ones starting from 9. So count them up, you get 10. So 10 out of 36, simplify it to 5 on 18. E, probability that the sum is not 8. So it's anything but this part here. So anything else except for the ones that have 8. So count them up and you'll see that that's 31 over 36 and you can't simplify that any further, so that's the answer. Okay, so how easy is that, guys? Dice questions are very, very easy, but because you can make silly mistakes by not picking out the right outcomes or missing some of them, please draw up a table and then it will help you so much more. Okay, so that was dice questions.